Hi everybody, it's Dr. Lily. Using a retinoid is really important to minimize wrinkles and fine lines and dark spots. However, you have to be very cautious. People with sensitive skin, rosacea, or irritable skin cannot use retinoids, no matter how gentle, unless using over-the-counter or micronized retinol. We can give you recommendations on that. However, if you have a prescription retinoid, here are my tips to using a beginner's retinoid. Start with the lowest concentration. Bigger is not better when it comes to retinoids. Start with a very low concentration, use a pea size, and mix it in with your moisturizer. After you do that, apply it to your whole face. Do that once a week for 1 month. Then, if you're not irritated or red, particularly around the mouth area, you can go to twice a week for 1 month. Then gradually titrate up until you can use it every night. If you overuse a retinoid or use it too often, you will get irritation and it's very hard to go back. The other tip I have is try to avoid the sun. If you put a retinoid on and go into the sun or do waxing, it can cause irritation in the skin. So if you're in the sun, stop it a week before you go into the sun. Remember, retinoids cannot be used with pregnancy and nursing or if you're planning on becoming pregnant. Retinoids can be an amazing product and can help you with wrinkles. However, if you use it right.